This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a simple oyster mushroom stir fry. I have here 300 grams of oyster mushrooms. Tear them up into smaller pieces. I'm using my hands here, but you can use your knife if you like. Next, julienne some carrots. For the spring onions, separate the white and the green parts. Cut the green parts up into 2-finger width lengths. Give the white parts a smash to release its flavor. Then, cut them up into about 2-finger width lengths as well. Roughly chop up 2 cloves of garlic. In a hot pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the garlic, the white parts of the spring onions, and the carrots. Fry them up for about 30 seconds to a minute till they are fragrant. Toss in the mushrooms. Give the mushrooms a good mix. Cook this till the mushrooms are withered down. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. As the mushrooms cook down, they would release some water. Now, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. One teaspoon of oyster sauce. And a dash of pepper. Stir fry and mix these well. Toss in the green parts of the spring onion. And turn off the heat. We are done. This is oyster mushroom stir fry.